We are Swaranova, 13 odd people, from various backgrounds and personal styles bonded over the one thing that we love, that is music. And we have 3 performances lined up for you today. The first one is for the slow groove lovers. The second one is to get you on your feet. And the third one is to challenge your rhythms and to maybe bang your heads too. So, like I said, without any further delay, we will start. Our first one is a little slow to get you in the zone. So, what we've done together today is we've blended 2 songs. So, it's a very popular number from a famous Malayalam movie, and the song is called Mailai Parannuva, and we have clubbed it with a Tilana in Desh Raga. So, this is a bit of an improv, something of our own. This is arranged by us. And so, not our own, but also our own in a way. So, are we ready, guys? Yes. Yes. So, I hope you guys are also ready. Enjoy Mailai Parannuva with Tilana in Desh Raga.